Hello there, I am here to do a taste test of this vitamin water, zero sugar, squeezed lemon flavor. It's 16 fluid ounces in this and 0 calories, so 0 calories. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I will link it below. If you've ever tried this vitamin water stuff, let me know what you thought of it. I don't know what to think of it. Typically I don't like flavored water, but received this at no cost to me. Got it from the food bank, so I figured I'd give it a go. Maybe it'd be something I'd enjoy. Let's get it open. Huh, 0 sugar. Interesting. 0 calories, that's what really blows my mind. Okay, you get the lemon really strong scent right off the bat. Yeah, all I'm smelling is lemon. Cheers. Yeah, it tastes like a sugar-free lemonade. Yeah, like a weak sugar-free lemonade. What are the ingredients in this thing? Oh my. Well, I can tell you right now, there's a ton of ingredients in this that I cannot pronounce. The flavor's okay. Like I said, it has a very weak sugar-free lemonade flavor. I wouldn't get this again just because the lemon almost has like a bitter aftertaste that is not for me. I'm guessing it's some of these ingredients that I can't pronounce that I'm tasting as the aftertaste. But yeah, I would rather just have water and maybe squeeze some lemon in it. So yeah, I would give this probably like a 2 out of 5 on the star scale. Because yeah, this is not good. It's disappointing. If you haven't tried this before, do you typically enjoy lemon in your water? Let me know down below if you like lemon in your water, or put a lemon emote if you want down below, and that lets me know that you're a fan of having lemon water. Most of the time I've not been a big fan of lemon water myself, but yeah, what are you gonna do? I will link this below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out what else I do online, feel free to check out my link tree. I have it at Instagram. I have other YouTube channels. I got a lot going on. So thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.